Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to investigate airbags. Let's click play to see the test with the seatbelt and crumble zone. Let's select slow motion and run the test again, concentrating on the upper part of the driver. What happens to the upper part of the driver? Exactly, its head hits the steering wheel, resulting in head and chest injuries. Modern cars have an airbag concealed in the steering wheel in front of the driver. The airbag inflates rapidly in a collision. This cushions the driver from impact with the steering wheel and decelerates the driver over a long time. Now let's select airbag and run the test again at a normal speed first, and now at a slow speed. So after rapid inflation, the airbag deflates to reduce the impact on the driver. Some cars have several airbags around the driver and passengers.